Hey! In front of me is ONEPLUS 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin with accessing settings. Following that, select connection and sharing over here under Bluetooth and click on print. Now you can click on default print service right away or choose add print service instead and download the best one for you. I will go with HP one because of my HP printer. When it's ready, select the back button twice. Then click on your service and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will access it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!